So, hello mga kabangers! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's vlog ay isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano tayo mag-withdraw sa ating Ecomobi app. So, last time or sa last video natin ay isi-share natin kung paano tayo mag-fill up ng ating payment info sa ating Ecomobi app. Alam naman natin kapag withdraw ay meron tayong matatanggap na pera, and yes po, napakagandang pakinggan po ang salitang withdraw. So, last time or last year ay yung minimum na pwede nating i-withdraw ay nasa 2,500, but good news now ay pwede na tayo makapag-withdraw sa amount na 1,200 only. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Samahan nyo na ako sa ating tutorial today and simulan na natin. To start with, i-open lang natin ang ating Ecomobi app. So, mga kabangers, ito po yung makikita natin, and of course, yung available balance. Then, let us click this one. And after that, ay i-click lang po natin yung withdraw. After that, ay meron po tayo ditong withdrawal agreement. So, the PTE and the PHI. So, actually, hindi ko pa alam yung meaning ng PTE and PHI. But, if babasahin nyo yung content, ay makikita nyo na para siyang payroll na kung saan ay malalaman nyo kung anong buwan at magkano yung kinita ninyo sa ganong buwan or year. Then, i-check lang po natin ang I confirm the minute of acceptance. Then, let us click the create a payment request. Then, makikita natin dito yung bank details natin at the same time yung amount of money na meron tayong available. Let us click again the create a payment request. So, mga kabangers, withdrawal request created. So, successful po yung withdrawal natin. So, hintayin lang po natin yung ating payment request. So, as you can see, your withdrawal request is being processed. Please wait until the process is completed to make another request. So, mga kabangers, sa payment history po natin makikita ang status ng ating withdrawal, if complete na ba siya, na-send na, or nakaprocess pa, at kailan natin ito matatanggap. So, as for me, ay minakalagay dito na sa January 25 po natin marireceive ang ating withdrawal kasi as of now ay processing pa rin siya. So, malalaman natin yan sa January 25 kasi first time po natin makareceive ng ating payment. So, mga kabangers, that's all for today's vlog, and thank you so much for always supporting our tutorial. And if wala pa po kayong Ecomobi app, ay ito na po yung sign para po magdagdag kayo ng side hustle nyo. So, mga kabangers, kahit maliit man yung makuha natin, ay let us be thankful kasi meron pa rin po tayong nakuha. So, that's all for today's mga kabangers, and once again, have a very good day, enjoy, and goodbye everyone. God bless!